Such a high protein salad alert.
Protein alert. Protein alert. What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe. And today, I think we're filling our salad quota. We have to get enough in during the year just to fill that quota for, SEO.
Yeah, and it's one of my favorite salads because there is no leafy greens in sight. The greens are just herbs.
Isn't that what we always say about salads?
Yeah. I mean, unless the leafy greens are kale, I don't want that salad.
Oh yeah, in case you missed our podcast, Catherine wants spinach to get out of here.
Yeah, I know. I've just decided, I used to be this person that really wanted spinach and thought I should have spinach. I've just decided spinach is no longer going to be a part of my life.
That's okay, you got kale and arugula to keep you company, right?
Yes.
But those are not in this recipe.
Nope. Today's recipe is an herby white bean, I almost said pasta salad. Oh. There's no pasta in this salad. Today's recipe is an herby white bean salad. It's maybe 10 ingredients total. It's so great.
Mm-hmm. And the key is always in the herbs.
Yeah, this is packed with fresh herbs. And that's one of the best parts about summer is that the fresh herbs are available in abundance and you can grow them yourselves, which is great. So why not pack them into all of your dishes?
Right? Expect herbs all summer long from us.
Yes.
All right, we should get into this recipe, but before we do, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes every Sunday and whatever Wednesdays, every other Wednesday. And let's go make a salad with beans.
To make your herby white bean salad, we're first going to start off by making our dressing in the bowl that we're planning to serve this in. So to a large bowl, you want to add some olive oil, some lemon juice, a little bit of maple syrup, some Dijon mustard, some minced garlic, and some salt and pepper. And then we're just going to whisk that with a fork until it's nice and creamy in one consistency. That mustard in there is really going to help emulsify the salad dressing and make it one smooth consistency and ensure that the lemon juice and the oil aren't separating. Then to that bowl, we're going to add in some finely diced red onion, mix that in a little bit. Then we're going to add in both of our beans. So we're adding a can of cannellini beans, also known as white kidney beans. And we're also going to add in a can of navy beans. Going to mix that all in together so that the dressing is coating all of the beans. Then we are going to add in our finely diced herbs. So we're going to add in some fresh parsley and some fresh dill. And then finally, we're going to add in some cherry tomatoes. And we're just going to toss that and stir that until everything is coated and evenly spread out throughout the salad. And then you're done. The great thing about this is that you can store it in the fridge for later if you want, make it ahead of time, meal prep it, whatever you want. Alrighty, Devin, how do you feel about bean salad?
I actually like bean salad a lot.
Yeah, me too. I always kind of forget how much I like it. I don't really eat beans a lot because Hutch doesn't like beans, but a bean salad is so good.
Yeah. Although it's not a salad I could eat in large quantities, I don't think.
No. And unfortunately, you usually have to make it in large quantities.
Yeah, but that's why it's something you see at a barbecue a lot, right?
Yeah. Which I do like. This bean salad, though, I think would also be great on a crunchy piece of toast. So you could have some as a salad for a side, but you could also put it for your morning breakfast or a brunch and put it on some toast. I think it would be delicious. So.
Oh, I like that.
Salad time. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
It's all in the dressing.
Always. No offense to everything else in here, but
Oh, it's so good.
Now, why these beans?
These are just my favorite beans.
Oh! Can we talk about favorite beans then?
Yeah, definitely. I just really like white kidney beans and navy beans are two of my favorite beans. I just like their texture a lot. I think they taste really good together. So that's why.
Yeah. I'm going to say probably white kidney beans for me too.
Mm-hmm. And then I think after that is black beans. I like black beans.
Yeah. and put them together, and then it's like key ingredients for like a chili, right?
Yeah.
But it's not chili season right now.
So
Get out of
good.
here.
Oh, so good. So yeah, let's talk about beans. And also bean puns, you know? I think that'd probably be a great word for puns.
Yeah, if you've been here for a while, you know that we like our puns. Yes. Okay, as usual, the recipe will be in the description box below. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about things like veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, Catherine's feelings about spinach. It's a good time. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us in that way, we really, really appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share it to someone else who needs some more beans in their life. I was trying to think of a bean pun and I just...
Who's been longing for some beans?
Yes! There we go.
And also, tell me this, Devin. I don't know how big of a bean fan you are, but when I was younger, you know those like cans that you could get that are already like pre-mixed marinated beans? I used to just like open up a can and just start eating. Like, didn't even take it out of the can. Just took a spoon and started eating. Used to love those things. I need to get back in touch with that version of myself.
I love that for you. You should definitely do that.